Well, I have the cats with me in the vault because of bad weather. And I think I'm going to let them out. I don't think there's anything harmful in here. We'll see what they do. Freedom! Oh, someone sees some tunnels. Oh boy, that looks so fun, doesn't it? Huh? What are you doing, Smokey? Oh, you're going to hide. Well, Onyx likes it already. I might have to repurpose some of these tubes and make some cat stuff out of them. Whoa. What you doing? Those little meows. Oh, computer's logged me out. Hi. All sorts of funny smells. You can't go out there though. And don't ruin my weather stripping. Goofballs. Where'd Smokey go? Oh, Smokey sees the tunnels. What you doing? What shifted? Smokey? What's wrong? Oh, you can go back and carry it? Hi. Where'd Onyx go? Oh no, you can fit behind there? How? I thought this went all the way. Oh, they don't go all the way to the wall. Oh, nuts. Well, that's a surprise. I hope there's no bad stuff back there. Onyx, where are you? Hey. Onyx. Onyx. Onyx? Oh, God. You're all dirty. Look at your dirty little whiskers. Hey, Onyx. Onyx, what are you doing? You're all dirty. Hey, let's clean off that. Let's clean off that little face. What are you sniffing for? Huh? Oh no. Don't eat those rubber bands. Oh, you're running. You're running for those tunnels. Where'd Smokey go? I'm gonna have a hard time getting you out of here, am I? Smokey. Hi. Oh, those cute little meows. What you doing? So exciting. Smokey. Oh, you gonna scratch on that concrete? Thinking so hard with that little tail. Oh, where'd Onyx go? Don't go under there, Smokey. It's dirty. All the way in the back. I see you there. Oh, did you see Smokey found something interesting? You got stuff on your whiskers again. Smokey, where you going? What are you doing? Oh, just gonna bonk into each other? You can't go out right now. We gotta wait a little longer, see what the weather does. You both got dirty whiskers now. Smokey, what do you have on your whiskers? You get a run. He's a runner. You haven't been in the tunnels yet, Cat. Hmm? Hey, look. Someone's back there, isn't there? Is there a cat back there? Where'd he go? Onyx. Oh, man. Ugh. What are you doing, Smokey? Are you too nervous to go in the... Oh, jeez. You two would love it in here. Oh, man. I see you right at home there, Onyx. All the way on the other end. What are you doing? Smokey, your whiskers are so dirty. Oh, yeah, you want head rubs, but I want to clean your dirty whiskers. Oh, goodness. So dirty. Need to clean in here. But you're not supposed to be in here normally. Oh, someone's off. Don't eat rubber bands. No. Hey, what are you doing? Smokey, I don't think you're gonna fit in there. You're kind of fat. That belly's kind of round. Booga booga booga. I think that's a skinny kitty's game. Look at that booty. Where are you going? What are you doing? You sniffing my dirty shoes? Boop, 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 boop. You got stuff on your whiskers. Hey, 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 give me your face. Give me your dirty little face. Give me your dirty little face. I just want to clean your whiskers. Oh, don't eat whatever that is. Don't eat stuff. Smokey, where are you going? Oh. Well, I guess you can make it through there. Where are you? It's too dark in there for the camera. Oh, there he goes, down the row. Well, that's probably it for the video. I need to deal with my other cat that found something to play with. Make sure it's not bad. Oops, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to catch my foot on that. Look at that. Naughty little butt. You found something. Are you gonna ambush Smokey in the tunnels? I should dig some of these tubes out and make something for the cats to play with. Be cheaper and better than the little pop-up tunnels that they sell at the store. But thanks for watching.